Hindi na bago sa atin ang paggamit ng internet, gadget at lalo na ng AI sa ating pag-aaral.
Simula noong 2020 to 2025, naging katuwang na natin ang artificial intelligence sa pagharap ng hamon noong nagdaang pandemya.
Mahigit doble ang tinaas mga kaso ng cybercrime sa Metro Manila ngayong taon.
Mas high-tech, mas napapadali yung proseso. Yun nga lang, kung nagagamit ito sa mabuti, mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan. Mas madali rin nagagamit sa kasamaan.
Media, maingay, magulo, puno ng false information.
Scammers, plagiarism, online gambling, bullying at online harassment, ito ang karaniwang nagiging problema sa irresponsableng paggamit ng artificial intelligence at technology sa ating pamumuhay.
At sa paglipas ng panahon, nakakalimutan na natin ang wastong at responsableng paggamit ng teknolohiya lalo na sa artificial intelligence sa ating pamumuhay.
Every day, we scroll, we click, we share. But here's the truth. Not everything you see online is real.
Social media influencers identified by most Filipinos in the new survey the main spreaders of false information in the country. An overwhelming majority also agree fake news is a problem that should be addressed in the Philippines.
But we can stop the spread of lies.
Encourage digital literacy and critical thinking skills.
Raise awareness about the potential risks and benefits of technology.
Advocate for policies and support technology use. Promote responsible and ethical use of technology.
Foster a culture of online safety and security.
That's why we are advocating TechWise Mindanao using AI and technology for goods.